Inec issues certificate of return to elected Imo lawmakers.
This is Prudence News on Prudence MSTV.
The Independent National Electoral Commission has issued certificate of return to 23 elected members of the Imo State House of Assembly, with the exception of 4 state constituencies that are to undergo rerun. The lawmakers, who came in company of some of their constituents, received the certificates as presented to them by the Administrative Secretary of Inec, Mr. Jude Okwonu, under the supervision of the Resident Electoral Commissioner, Professor Sylvia Agu. Some of the newly elected members who spoke to newsmen shortly after they were handed the certificate of return said they will not disappoint in the task ahead.
I'm so happy with God Almighty. I dedicate my victory to Him, and I've told them, people, that I'm so happy for the type of love they showed to me. And this certificate of return today is for me and for the entire people of Inec. That I am so grateful. And I promise them, with this certificate of return given to me today, I know that it's God that gave it to me, but through the people. So I am going to make sure I did not disappoint them.
And a lot of dilapidated roads, unemployment, insecurity, a lot of insecurity. And over these 2 months, anger everywhere. When I returned from the overseas, I witnessed a lot of insecurity. And the first point of call now is that I had to go and come for security or peace meeting with my local government council. So all the units, everybody good and new will come and let's see what is the cause of this insecurity and know how to best we can tackle it.
They still feel like it. I know with time they're going to calm down, and I will meet with them, because this is our state constituency. We need to work together to achieve the same purpose. I know they are going there for the same purpose of creating an impact in Ohaji.
Speaking on behalf of the APC stakeholders present to witness the collection of the certificates, the Owerri Zonal Chairman of the party, Sir Justice Ogu, affirmed that the elected lawmakers will live up to expectation. 2 of the lawmakers who are coming for the second time said they are more than prepared to work for the betterment of the state using their wealth of experience gathered so far from the previous assembly.
The confidence reposed in the elected members by Imo electorate are going to be made manifest. They will make laws that will be good for the people. They will make laws that will benefit the generality of Imo State. Imo people will be happy. You can see that the sheer prosperity government of the distinguished Senator Governor of Imo State is making wave all over.
What we are going to act differently is because we know the people, not the trend. There's nothing we can do apart from to control campaign, to call the friend now for them to calm down. Because their terrain I'm very familiar with. Between 2015 and 2019, why I had swear, as the honorable member, the place was relatively calm. So going back is a trend I know very well. I will not appeal to them. And I believe by the grace of God, through the intercession of the God Almighty, and through the effort of the state government this time around, we shall have a headway and a peace, I believe.
At this moment, I don't always like to use the word I, but what I use, continue using the word WE, which is we, the good people of Oru West, we continue putting heads together and see how we can move the community forward. May I also use this medium to address the entire public that all the paraphernalia of the documents before us is just nothing but to state for the good people of Oru West and Imo State.
With the presentation of the certificate of return, the elected members are now certified and will be sworn in due course, except if court says otherwise to any of them. Prudent MSTV News gathered that APC cleared all the 23 state constituencies so far concluded, and the remaining 4 that makes it 27 awaits a rerun. From Imo State, Southeast Nigeria, Ajibade Awofeso, Prudent MSTV News.